So here we have a 03 Chevy 2500 HD. The headlights were very yellowed, as you can see. And we wanted to freshen up the look of the truck a little bit. And I was tasked with changing the headlights. I was kind of not looking forward to this job because every other headlight repair I've done has been kind of a pain. But I want to show you how to change these lights. It's very simple. You slide that pin out and the light's removed. I've already unclipped those. That there. As for the bottom, there's 3 clips. This one, you have to push the tab and spin. Same with this one. Push the tab and spin, and I'll grab that one in a second. But all you have to do is push on that tab. There it is. This tab. Set the phone down for a second. There's the tab. You push on that part and it pops out. Super easy. I did not expect that. Good thinking, Chevy.